Alright, this is a Hurricane Irma post update, and hurricane's mostly past. This fence is leaning a little bit. There is debris all over the backyard, trees and branches. It's still a little breezy. We do have power, but we have no internet. Both my business internet and home internet are both down. The tree hanging off the fence there, fairly big branch there, some little branches here, but the main trees themselves did not actually come down so far. But I'm making this video in the breezy weather, which could be the last video I ever make. If you can see the wind. The wind chime I left out all night, it survived. I just put the bird feeder back out. Sure the little birdies are hungry. Plenty of shingles came off the roof. The main winds were from the east, but no big branches landed on the roof. But we did have lots of little tweaks down. The neighbor's roof took a little pounding. Quite a few loose shingles on there. There's my stepson Patrick, doesn't always be in filmed. There's a bunch of little twigs in the front yard. People have started cleaning up, and oh look, there's a big branch over there now. I didn't notice that earlier. One of the neighbor's trees snapped. Quite a bit of debris down the road. Oh yeah, it's snapped pretty good. People have begun clearing up though. Not too bad. There we have power, but we do not have any internet at the moment. And it's pretty cool, it's not too warm, so, but that doesn't matter because we have power right now. So we have air conditioning. The guy's next door, one of his tarps got tore off the boat a little bit, but he's put it back on. My stepson's car got hit a few times by the little